In the beautiful village of Vrindavan, there lived a little boy named Krishna who was always surrounded by love and joy. One sunny afternoon, as the cows grazed peacefully by the river, Krishna picked up his flute. The moment he blew into it, a magical sound filled the air, a melody so sweet, even the trees swayed to its rhythm. As Krishna played, the birds flew closer, the flowers bloomed brighter, and the animals gathered around, all enchanted by his music. His flute was not just a simple instrument, it had the power to bring peace and happiness to everything around him. One day, a curious little calf wandered into the meadow, following the beautiful sound. The calf, mesmerized by Krishna's flute, came so close that Krishna stopped playing and smiled at the calf. He gently patted its head and said, "Music is the language of the heart, little one." The animals, the birds, and even the trees stood still, all listening to Krishna's melody. As he played, Krishna's music filled the hearts of everyone with joy, spreading calm and love across the entire village. The rivers sparkled brighter and the winds blew softly, as if they too were dancing to the rhythm of his divine tune. Krishna's music not only calmed the animals but also filled the hearts of everyone who heard with love. It was said that when Krishna played his flute, even the stars and moon danced in the sky. His divine melody brought harmony to the world, reminding everyone that kindness, love, and harmony were the true notes of life. So let's chant together Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Comment which drawing you want to see in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.